Business Fabric is an AI-powered advisory platform designed to help small and medium-sized companies with hands-on business advice, automated critical insights, smarter decision-making, faster response times, and it helps you avoid costly mistakes with an all-in-one, easy-to-use interface. Our platform centralizes your organization's structure, documents, data, and team discussions, retains critical employee knowledge, and offers CEO-level decision-making, and enhances product, business, and market research with clear understanding of your activities by running continuous complex simulative knowledge analytics in the background. Your team can research complex topics, generate any document templates, create dynamic questionnaries, or mine your large set of real knowledge with our AI-powered node-based interface. Our tool makes it easy to run your startup or small enterprise even if you are not an expert. It helps you spot possibilities and problems way ahead of time, consults you with difficult decisions, retains critical knowledge, and it understands, digitally models, and simulates your whole operation. It's the best tool to stay ahead of your competitors. It really feels like having a seasoned CEO on your side at all time.